And well, from villages to cities, Punjab reels under flood fury with thousands displaced and lives lost. Punjab is battling the worst of the monsoon mayhem. Floods have wreaked havoc across the state, leaving behind a trail of destruction. The death toll has climbed to 37, with over 3.5 lakh people impacted and 1655 villages inundated. Massive rescue operations are underway with 30-plus teams of NDRF, BSF, Army, Navy and IAF on the ground. Even as teams battle floodwaters on the ground, Punjab stares at weeks of hardship ahead. For thousands of families, the fight now is not just survival, but piecing life back together after the monsoon mayhem.
In last few hours, the water level has increased. Though it is concerning for the administration and for the people here as well, because 20 villages are impacted, and only way of commuting or moving from here to there is by boat. And you see people from that villages. They reached here by the boat, and Army, BSF, local administration and villagers, NGOs are on ground to rescue people, to help them. But in last few hours, where this road was quite visible, but in last few hours of rain, this road is now not visible, and moving one place to another from this side to that side is not possible by the people. And that side there are 20 villages of 11 panchayats, and all around is 8 to 10 feet water of Satluj, and this water goes to Pakistan by flowing to Firozpur in 9 turns with along the border. With video journalist Aman Gupta, this is Aman Bhardwaj for India Today from Gatti Rajuke, Firozpur.
Punjab has been witnessing incessant rains. The latest is Punjab being declared as hit by disaster. But yes, what we can tell you is this is Mohali's Phase 11. And look at this, knee-deep waters right here. Look at this car portion be floating away. And this is where a lot of water has gushed in. Clearly a crisis for residents in low-lying areas. All 23 districts are deeply impacted. But when we're looking at these particular waters, remember, decongestion is being done. These are tough times for residents here in Phase 11. But clearly, this is also talks about whether the administration was looking into all these aspects, and there are machines being put here to ensure that the water level subsides. But adding on is the continuous rains, which is making things extremely worse. But clearly, as far as several lanes are like this are concerned, remember, tough times for residents. And remember, 23 districts of Punjab at this point of time facing the wrath of fury of waters. With camera person Girish, this is Kamaljeet Sandhu in Mohali for India Today.